All of you, good afternoon. Government degree and PG College, Bhadrachalam. The subject lesson is English. All of you students, good afternoon. For the class of second year, topic is note making. This is the one of the topic in our examination pattern. We are learn about the going to note making. Note making and note taking are similar words. Note making is a different from note taking. Note making exercise is doing the exercise the students themselves. When they are reading the text or newspaper or magazine or any other relevant matter from the sources, when they are reading the text or content, when they are identified this is the most important topic or this is the most important sentence, that time they are writing on their notebook. When they are writing the important points or important topics from the text, the writing is the students themselves from the text. It is a note making. Note taking is different from note making. Note taking is when the students are listening in the classroom or in the meetings or in the seminars or in any other activities. When they are note down the listening points, when they are chosen, it's a very important or it's a valuable. When they are writing themselves in the meeting or in the classroom or in the seminar, that is a note taking. That note taking is very important for the examination purpose. When they are reading the repeated or recalling the text, when they are seeing the note down points, is very easy to learn. But the note making is a exercise in the examination pattern. The students are doing in the examination hall from the question paper. When they are asked the question paper, when they are taking the question paper, they are note down the question paper. Then they identify the question and they have to note the question in the answer book. and they have to see the paragraph on the question paper, and the students are read the paragraph more than 4 times, more than 4 or 5 times. When they are reading repeatedly, then they understood the topic. When they understood and when they realized the topic, and whatever the topic is they are understood, and whatever the topic is they are realized, then they want to take out the which are the major topics in the paragraph and which are the minor topics in the paragraph, and what is the relevant to the topic. They have to identify the whatever the content, and then they have to give a suitable title to the paragraph. They have to choose into a suitable title to the paragraph. After the title given by the student in the answer books, then they have to write the important points in the answer book or in the answer scripts. They have to write the first, which is the major headings, and which are the minor headings, and which are the subheadings. They have to divide it into the major, minor and subheadings, or a major headings and minor headings, and they have to making the points. In that way they have to write the answers for this question. Note making. This question asked for 5 marks in the examination pattern. This is one of the exercise in the examination pattern. Then we will go for the example exercise. This is the one of the example exercise. This is one of the paragraph of example. I will show and I will read the paragraph first. Global warming caused primarily by carbon dioxide from burning coal, oil and gas. Certain gases that trap heat are building up in Earth's atmosphere. The primary culprit is carbon dioxide released from burning coal, oil and natural gas in power plants, cars, factories, etc. And to an extent, when a forests are cleared, the burning activity is when the extent the forests are cleared. The second is methane released from paddies, cattle dung, rotting garbage in landfills, mining operations and gas pipelines. Third are chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, chlorofluorocarbons and similar chemicals. There is a scientific consequences that global warming is real, is caused by human activities and presents serious challenges. Scientists working on this issue report that the observed the observed global warming cannot be explained by natural variations such as changes in the sun's output or volcanic eruptions. Global warming will have significant impact on people and nature. As temperatures continue to rise, precipitation is projected to come more frequently in the form of heavy downpours. We can probably expect more extreme wet and dry conditions. While global warming will have impact on natural and human systems, all around the world, the largest impact will be on many natural ecosystems and on people who live in developing countries and have few resources and a little ability to adapt. On the positive side, warmer winters will reduce cold related stresses, and growing seasons will lengthen. Saving energy and developing alternative energy sources would help. Each of us can reduce our contribution to global warming by using less greenhouse gas producing energy, driving less, choosing fuel efficient cars and appliances like refrigerators and water heaters. Don't use the refrigerators and water heaters heavies, and using a solar energy where feasible for water and space heat. But our actions now and in the coming decades will have enormous implications for future generations. This is the paragraph about a global warming, and we will choose the title of the global warming and solutions. The title of the paragraph is global warming and solutions. In this way, students are read thoroughly 3 or 4 times of the paragraph, or maximum how many times they can read. They will read it. Then they have to realize, they have to conclude this paragraph about this event. Then they have to choose a suitable title for the paragraph. Here is the one of the example I have given already. I have chosen already the paragraph title in the content. Global warming and solutions. Title is the paragraph is global warming and solutions. When we are writing the making notes, you have to write the subheading as a causes of a global warming, In this global warming, you have to put the 3 lines for headings. One of the carbon dioxide, second one is the methane, third one is the CFC. In the carbon dioxide is comes from burning coal, oil and gas. How it is released the carbon dioxide? The release of the motor cars and burning the coal and burning the oils and burning the gases in the power plants. And next, global warming is caused by human activities. Second one is the methane. How it is methane comes from cattle, paddy, rooting garbage, mining and gas pipelines, etc. The methane is released. And then third one is the major side heading is or a third side heading is a CFC. Chlorofluorocarbons comes from fridges and televisions. Chlorofluorocarbons comes from the fridges and televisions. And what are the other relevant important points? Global warming is caused by a human activities. And the next point is the scientists report that a global warming presents serious problem. Global warming presents a serious problem for the human beings. The next point, global warming causes temperatures continue to rise and for frequent downfalls. When increases the heat in the contents and the rising of the contents rising, the more warmer coming in the land and frequently downfalls and more downfalls of the heat in some areas, especially a poor downfalls come from the lands. We face more extreme wet or dry conditions. The rainfalls are heavily come or the rainfalls are late comes. It's a late came. Giving gap, it's a very low and very high. The rainfalls between the gaps are very high or very low. Then the wet and dry conditions are problematic. It will also affect many natural ecosystems and the people live in a developing countries. It will also affect many natural ecosystems and the people live in a developing countries. We have to save energy sources and useful efficient vehicles. We have to use the BS6 vehicles in India, especially want to reduce the global warming for future purpose or future generations. We will choose the fuel less or a fuel efficient vehicles and we will use the very shortest distance for the bicycles. By using a solar energy, we can reduce the heat of the earth and space. By using the solar energy, they reduce the heat of the earth and space when we are using the solar system. Solar power plant presentations is a very important now in the all villages and major cities and minor cities in the states. This is the one of the example of the a model note making paragraph question and answers. What is the important when we are writing the answers, when we are writing the note making, What are the points in our mind we want to remember? When we are identify the note making topic, we want to choose the first the topic, and we want to read the topic as many as we can, more than 5 times. Read first paragraph to last paragraph. Read first paragraph to last paragraph. Paragraph wise you have to continuing the study many times. It's a very understandable when you are reading more than 5 times. That is a very understandable way of the answering of the note making question. Then you have to, when you are understood the paragraph or when you are realized about the paragraph, then you have to choose the title of the paragraph. When you given the title of the paragraph, it's a very interesting, the examiners when they are allotted the marks. And then you have to identify which are the major topics in the paragraph and which are the minor topics in the paragraph. That is the very essential in the answering of a note making or making the notes. Then you have to prepare what are the major topics in the paragraph. In our example, you see causes of a global warming points are carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons. These are the major 3 main headings. In the main headings we have to write the sub points. Carbon dioxide, how it is carbon dioxide prepared or carbon dioxide formed, comes from a burning coal, oil and gas. When you are where is the burning of the coals? In the power plants. When we are using the vehicles like a car, buses, lorries, etc., it's a burning the oil, diesel. It's a burning the diesel. They are when they are using the oils, the vehicles are releases the gases, carbon dioxide gas. And we are burning the gas for the power plant. That time also releases the carbon dioxide. These are the major subpoints in the carbon dioxide. Next, what is the methane? How it is a form of methane? How it comes from the what ways? Okay, methane comes from the cattle, paddy, rooting garbage and mining. Gas pipelines. The methane is forms in a cattle, paddy, rooting garbage, mining and gas pipelines. When they are blasting the chemicals for the blasting purpose in the factories or in the mining, when you are mining, coal mines are there, and the blasting of the time the methane is came. And when the chlorofluorocarbons are come, how it's form in the nature. Chlorofluorocarbons comes from fridges and televisions. When we are using the fridges morning to evening, and when we are using the televisions in our houses, it's a very dangerous. We have to open the doors and we are using the fridges and televisions. and you are using the more than 5 hours or 6 hours of the time of television and fridges, it's a form the chlorofluorocarbons. That is the major three major topics. This is the one of the very important of a very easily getting the marks from the examiner. It's a very easiest topic in the examination is a note making. But what purpose you don't prepare any essay question or any other activities or any other grammar topic, very other grammar answers in that way. They are given the paragraph and they are given the topics in the paragraph. You have to prefer the only for what are the main points and what are the sub points you have to identify in the paragraph. That is a very easy to answer the examination. That's a very wonderful for the getting the good marks. And which is the activity is for the examination purpose. And you have to prepare yourself. You have to take out the any exercises from the your textbook or any other relevant material or any other magazines. You have to prepare yourself. How it is making the notes, how it is making the points, major points and sub points in the examination pattern. You have to take out the any other relevant text. You have to prepare from your textbook or a material. This is one of the activity for doing as a practices. First of all, what are the practices if important? In the same way of the comprehension passage also. Comprehension passages. When you are seeing the comprehension passage, you have to read 3 or more than 3 or 5 times. More than 3 or 5 times in the reading the paragraph. And then you have to realize or then you have to understand the paragraph. What about that paragraph is? What is the theme in the content is? You have to realize or you have to understand the topic. That is a very essential to the practice or essential to the answering of this question. Okay, students, you have to prepare yourselves as many as exercises for getting more marks for your examination pattern, and then you can prefer for the competitive also, like a constable, and like a VRO, and like a VRA in the state of Telangana, and RPF, CASF, constable test also they are asked this type of questions for the minimum 3 and maximum 5 marks. But asking the pattern is very different. They are given the paragraph and they are asked the questions, comprehension passage and questions on the particular paragraph. Okay, this is the pattern of using the grammar topic in your examinations. So it's a wonderful activity for the practice session, and whatever it may be, you have to take out the as a textbook which is the provided by the govern for the school children. You have to take out the practice of the from the textbooks and other relevant materials which is your interested, which is your interested. And we will go to the simplest way. Write the answering for the topic of note making. All of you see the paragraph in your materials and practices the what are our text paragraphs and how they are given the exercises of the paragraph. Thoroughly you have to observe and you have to practice. Then you have to write the examination in a smoothly manner and you get the maximum marks in the examination. Why we are taking the activities? Without using the vehicles, how to go to the colleges and how to send the goods from one place to another place. We have to change the energy for this purpose. We want to reduce the global warming for this purpose. We want to use the electricity for the use of the electricity batteries for the traveling purpose of electrical vehicles, and we reduce the using of the oils, petrol, diesels, etc. And we have to encourage the planting. We have to encourage the planting for the reduce of the heat. For the reduce of the heat. And we have to save the plants and trees. Which is the or where is the empty place? We want to plant the trees. That is a very essential for the new generation students. Okay, all of you be careful when you are preparing the examinations. You have to compulsory attempt the compulsory this answer. Note making is very easy to answer. Suppose you don't know identify the topic, you have to answer the points, which are the important points. You have to make out the points one by one. You have to write from the paragraph which are the important points in your mind. You have to choose the important points from the paragraph. You have to write the one by one in a sequence manner. Then you have to get the marks very easy. That is the way of answering of the note making. Okay, all of you practices the handwriting when you are preparing the note making many times, many paragraphs. It's a wonderful exercise for the developing of handwriting, and more exercise give a more practice to the your examinations. Like a practice make a perfect man. Practice makes a perfect man. This is one of the example of getting a good marks in your examination. And we will go for the exercise how many we can do it. So many examples are there in the nowadays any grammar books. Or when you are preparing the notes for the other subjects, every intelligent student knows that it is essential to make or take down important points while reading a lesson or listening to a lecture. These points put together in a logical and a coherent manner are notes. That is a notes. When I are putting the points in a coherent manner or understandable manner, that is a notes. That is a notes. When we are practice or when we are reading one by one, we will understand the content in a easiest mode, in a easiest way. By getting the answers. In that way, you have to prepare the subject. Get the good marks. Get the good marks. Okay, students, all of you, be careful for the preparing for your examinations, and when you are answering the questions in the examination hall is where as examination hall is also very important. You have to free movement. You have to give the you have to choose your free movement, and you have to prefer your answer first, which is the easiest answer or which is the easiest writing in the examination. You have to choose, and then you have to follow the pattern of the writing of examinations, and easy way to answering the questions, and you have to write the understandable writing in the examination. You don't waste of time in the examination. Attempt the all questions what they are asked, and what you are writing is related to the matter of the question. Matter of the question, that is very important. First of all, you can free movement. You can write the free movement. Don't stress, don't go for the stress. Whatever it may be, we have to feel of the stress less. Then you have to write the your examination. That is a very, very important for the learners. Okay, all of you all the best.